Hey everybody, I am heading to Camas Potholes Waterfall Loop Trail. This is the second hike of the year. I am starting a little bit late. I typically already leave my house like around 8, sometimes 7:30. It's 9:47 and it's gonna take me an hour and 15 minutes to get there. I got my hiking backpack on. I got my fitness jacket on, shirt and pants, and I just have some fitness shoes on because, as many of you guys know, I broke my leg last year, so my hiking boots, they don't fit me anymore, and I haven't had time to buy any. But stay tuned so I can show you the beautiful trail and nature. All right, guys, we are in the Camas Waterloo Trail, and I don't know if you guys can see. This seems to be like a popular location. I arrived here like around 11 something, before 11:30, and there's actually two parking lots. The All Trails app that I use, they take you to the second one, not the first one. Oh my god, and I just seen the falls. Ooh, I could go all the way down there. I'm not gonna trust it, but anyways, there's the falls. Super pretty. So they were not lying on the Outrails app when they said it was steep. It is very steep here. There is a lot of branches, big and small, on the trail. It is a frequent traveled trail. Now I guess I'm entering the muddy area. It's rocky as well, so keep that in mind if you do this trail. You should have hiking poles of some sort or a good walking stick, because again, it's very steep and there are roots, deep roots on the trail, so it's easy for you to trip. So keep in mind of those things. So I had to get a little bit off of Camas Trail. I went to the Woodburn Falls, which is right there. I can't get any closer because I have on fitness shoes, but I don't have on like hiking boots, and it's really muddy, really slippery here, and I just don't want to fall. I have a fear of falling since breaking my leg. So this is as close as I could get. You guys can see that. So yeah, you can't really tell, but like right here, right here is super muddy, and when I had to go up this path, that is super muddy as well once you hit the corner. So this fall, I noticed it is very secluded. People don't really come over here that much, I could tell, but once you go on the main trail, they do. It's a lot of people frequently over here. So if you want privacy, I recommend coming to the Woodburn Falls, although they don't have like any seats over here, so you're gonna have to just sit on some foliage that you feel is safe. But overall, it's very beautiful, very cool over here, very calming.